Yo, what's up, everyone? Ever looked at your phone, thought about sending money to a friend, or maybe paying for something without touching cash, and wondered, can I even do that in Nigeria? Well, the answer might surprise you. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Cash App and figuring out if you can actually create one in Nigeria. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cash App? Nigeria? Isn't that like trying to find a unicorn in the Sahara? Well, stick around because we're about to find out. Let's talk about why you might want a Cash App in the first place. We live in a digital age where everything from ordering food to paying bills is just a tap away. Cash App is one of those apps that promises to make your life easier. Sending money to friends? Instant. Getting paid? Super fast. Investing? Yep, that's an option too. But here's the big question, can Nigerians actually use it? That's what we're here to find out. First things first, let's clarify what Cash App actually is. It's a mobile payment service that allows you to send and receive money, invest in stocks, and even buy Bitcoin. It's like having a digital wallet right in your pocket. So, can Nigerians create a Cash App account? Well, the short answer is, it's complicated. Cash App is primarily designed for the US market, and there are certain limitations for users outside the US. However, that doesn't mean it's impossible. There are a few workarounds people have tried, but it's important to understand the risks involved. Creating an account with a fake location or using someone else's information might seem like a quick fix, but it could lead to account restrictions or even legal issues. So, what are your options? Well, there are a bunch of other mobile payment apps and platforms available in Nigeria that offer similar services. Some of these are specifically designed for the Nigerian market and might be a safer and more reliable option. We'll dive deeper into some of these alternatives in another video, so make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more. Now, let's talk about the potential benefits of using a Cash App if you could somehow get one to work in Nigeria. We've already mentioned sending and receiving money, but there are other perks as well. Some people use Cash App to build their credit score, invest in stocks, or even buy Bitcoin. But again, these features might not be fully accessible to Nigerian users. It's essential to do your research and weigh the pros and cons before trying to use Cash App in Nigeria. To wrap it up, while Cash App might not be the most straightforward option for Nigerians right now, it's still a popular app with a lot of potential benefits. As the mobile payment landscape continues to evolve, we might see more options become available to users in Nigeria. Until then, it's essential to be cautious and explore the alternatives that are already available. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and keep exploring the world of digital payments.